Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 24, 2025, just 2 days ago. The headline contribution is a new benchmark and evaluation protocol that finally tests whether text-to-image models can reason, not just copy prompts, revealing a sizable gap between current generators and what real reasoning requires. The paper is titled T2I-ReasonBench, Benchmarking Reasoning-Informed Text-to-Image Generation. And as we will see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. Beyond defining 4 reasoning dimensions, the study introduces a 2-stage automated scoring pipeline and shows proprietary systems still lead, while explicit prompt rewrites boost many models. Also, the authors shared an official GitHub repo. Listeners will find the 800 prompt suite across 4 reasoning dimensions: JSON question criterion pairs, QN 2.5-VL evaluation scripts, pipeline prompt generators, and setup instructions. It includes example command lines, CSV output formats, and notes on pending releases like human scores and generated images. Alright, the introduction outlined the goal and the 4 dimensions. Figure 1 presents an overview that groups the benchmark into idiom interpretation, textual image design, entity reasoning, and scientific reasoning, each with an example prompt and a model output. The panels also highlight the 2 evaluation tracks, which are reasoning accuracy and image quality, so the framing makes the criteria explicit. The layout signals that prompts often hide key details, which forces inference before image synthesis. The previous figure outlined the benchmark scope, and figure 2 details how the prompt suite came together and how it is organized. The left panel shows the collection pipeline across the 4 dimensions, which combines search, expert prompts, and large language model assistance for design intention and knowledge verification. The middle wheel presents subcategories for each dimension, so the taxonomy is explicit and balanced. The right side reports prompt length statistics, indicating short prompts on average, which matters because concise wording forces models to infer missing details. The previous figure introduced the evaluation pipeline, and Table 1 reports how automatic metrics align with human judgments. This table shows Kendall-Tau and Spearman-Rowe correlations across idiom, textual, entity, and scientific dimensions. Reasoning accuracy leads across all columns, which supports the claim that weighting reasoning at 70% and details at 30% better captures implicit meaning. 9CQA is score trail because they emphasize surface alignment. Image quality correlates moderately, so it complements but does not replace reasoning. Alright, the previous table validated the metric design, and Table 2 reports model performance across the 4 reasoning dimensions plus overall. The table lists reasoning accuracy and image quality, which are normalized between 0 and 1, so comparisons are straightforward. Proprietary systems lead in both metrics, while diffusion models generally deliver better visual quality, and autoregressive models show pockets of strong text understanding without matching synthesis. HiDream surpasses 50% accuracy among open-source options, but still trails the leaders. Okay, tying it together, 2 takeaways stand out. Reasoning matters as a first-class skill for text-to-image models, and the 2-stage scoring shows clear gaps where proprietary systems lead, while explicit prompt rewrites lift everyone. The path forward is tighter reasoning integration with generation. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.